Now let's look at the last type tool in Illustrator, and it's down here at the bottom. It's called the Touch Type tool. Let's explore what that tool can do. First, let's go to Window, Toolbar, and go to the Advanced toolbar. We'll hit T, but it's already on the Type tool. I want to point out that I created this type before I started filming this video. So this is just type I created from the basic Type tool. But if I hold down Control and get down here, this bottom one is the Touch Type tool. And you can see also that you can get to it with a quick key called Shift-T. So now that we're in this Type tool, here's what happens. Let's zoom up. It allows me to activate a letter at a time, and then it's giving me the ability to pull and change it. You can grab it, change the size of it. Individually, it's allowing me to play with the type. And if I touch this little area up above, it lets me twist it. It's an interesting tool that I actually think can be very fun when you're doing final tweakings on logo type. It might really mean something very specific to you as a designer. My advice, as in all tools, is create some type and play with this tool and get to know it. It could be your best friend in some design process.